Hello guys, welcome to my second tutorial about WPF layouts. In this tutorial we will use the grid layout to build a contact form. Let's start it now. We will create a view naming contact window. Okay, so here it goes. We will use the grid layout. That's fine. Let's give it a margin 20. I have given a top margin to it. So the first step we had learned in previous video is the column definition. So what we are going to do, we are going to build a form with a label, name, email, comment, or message box. These three fields we will create a form first, then we will extend it later. So let's start with it. So the first thing we have learned in the grid layout is to create the column definitions. So here it goes, grid.column definitions. We will keep the first width as auto because auto will take the space of the control. Whatever the control we will put label here in the its column, so it will take the space of the label. And the second column definition we are putting static because it will take the remaining space of the area. Okay, it's not needed, it's already there. Okay, so we have created two columns. Okay, now we will create one row. Definitions tag, because we are creating three fields. Okay, so there will be uh, three rows in it. I am trying to keep the things simple, so as I assume you are a beginner with WPF and you do not have any knowledge previously working in it, so let's build small things and then it will be very helpful for you guys to build something at large scale, because being a designer or developer, I assume that if you know the basics and your concepts are clear, you can do anything. So I will explain why I have put auto and static here later. Let's go further and create first label, the first field. Okay, can name it as full name. Let's put it in the first index, which is the second column. It is called as 1 because the zeroth is for label and 1 is for the second column. Okay, so I have put it over there and it's in the zeroth row. Now this one I need to put in the first row, which is actually the second row, means first index of the row. So here I put label here and let's put text box. Then we put another field, and I will put in the third row. Set return true. So this is something I have created, the three fields. Okay, so let's run it. We can put its name because we want to run this view. Sorry, window.7. So you can see a form with full name, email, and message. Okay, and if you maximize the window or reduce the size of the window, it is moving accordingly. So we have used the grid layout for building this form. Let's make it little better by putting some margin. So what we can do for the text block, we can simply add margin. So let's run it. Now you can see it is little better as compared to the previous screen. Okay, so let's add one more row in it, and we can add one button for submit. So here, as I explained, auto it will take the space of the control. If it is a label, it will take the space of the label. If it is a button, it will take the space of the button, or any control. And static will take the remaining space. So if we run it, you can see in the window the message is taking all the space below. Okay, the message box. So we will change it to let's say 3 star. Okay, means 3 times of the total area. And let's add one more row. Let's make it 50 because we just need to place the button. Submit. It will be the first index, means second column, and row will be third index, means fourth row. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see the submit button is appearing, and if we maximize or reduce the size of the window, this form is working correctly. So guys, as you have seen, I have put 0 0 0 10 here. This is basically the first value is showing the left side margin from the left side, then it is from the top, it is from the right, and it is from the bottom. The fourth value is bottom. So I have given 10 margin for every field. uh, so this is how you can place margin here. So let's make it little better. Let's make this form more colorful. So what we can do, we can put background and we can make it light blue. So let's run it and see how it looks like. You can see I have given the color blue to the main window. So being a developer, you can extend it as per your knowledge, as per your requirement, whatever you want in it. We have so many controls here. So this is all about creating a small contract form using WPF grid layout. So hope you like the video, and we will discuss further controls and further concepts of WPF in the next video. So thank you very much, and if you like my video, please like it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.